Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text behind someone in Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin. So once we've loaded up Adobe Photoshop, we just want to make sure that the width of this is 1920 and the height is 1080, and then we're just going to rename this from untitled to text behind. You can name this whatever you like though, and then we'll just press create. Now in here, you just want to go into your Finder and drag this into Photoshop and just make sure that you frame that up into the center. Then we'll go up to this quick selection tool and we're just going to paint around ourselves. So we're just going to go over and we're just going to make sure that we paint ourselves out. Don't worry if you go over, we can always correct this later on in the edit. So then we'll just copy that layer, paste that layer, and then we'll just go into the eraser tool. Make sure that the size is down, make sure that the hardness is 100, and then we're going to go through the process of just erasing the background. This is the part of the image where the quick selection tool couldn't differentiate between myself and the background. Obviously my t-shirt is a very similar color to the background, so this is a little bit difficult. And now from here, we're just going to create a brand new text layer. So just go into text, type whatever you want, and we'll just increase the scale to around 4, maybe 500. And then we'll just make sure that we move that into position. And then on the panel on the right, we're just going to go across and we're just going to drag that text layer underneath layer 1. That is the copy of myself. And there you go, the text is behind me, and that is how you add text behind someone in Adobe Photoshop. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and push that bell icon to stay updated on all future uploads. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.